Welcome back to Saathwic Infotech DevOps series. As part of this series, we have been studying about all the DevOps related tools. In our last series, we have successfully completed Unix related commands, how to write a scripts with real-time use cases and everything, right? So, as part of the successful completion, we are planning to start with our new series of GitHub. So, which is our next one. So, in this series, we are going to cover from basics to the master level. If you have any topics which needs to be covered in much detail, I would request the subscribers to comment those in the comment section, which will really help us to plan in advance and start with our session. Okay, thanks. Hope you guys will provide the same support as you guys given in our Linux series too. I have compiled all the Linux series into a playlist. If you guys really needs to watch it again, always you can refer to the playlist session for Unix series. So the same way I will also compile a complete playlist for GitHub and for all the subsequent sessions too. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting us.